Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya Motorsport Society ha ka arphundai terik ukala lingkot arjar apsan kala penbena ban pelong ya kejia kop nya kali ka balatip kum ka speed fest time attack ka ban sedang nadu ka laiphui terik ukala lingkot arjar apsan bat dia ka ba on sepenkut ha ka sitarik urempang arjar apsan ka kongfiobi di nongrum ha ka jia keran bat kila pathai khubor kala ong ba kani ka jia kop ha ka National Motorsports Pynlong ka Sien ka Nyngkong ha kani ka jala Meghalaya ka ban pelong da ka Meghalaya Motorsport Society da ka jia terailang bat ka Motorsports Access ringkat ka jia kersan lang jong ka the Meghalayan Age Limited.
Fun entertainments by Mr. Sanam Seko. He has been here before, and he has performed at the ISBT. We had a drift show. He's a drift champion, and also this time he had come on a quad bike. So a few other skills that he possesses in motorsports, that is on the quad bike. So he'll just be showing a little bit of his skill sets on the quad bike at the track during the event. And I myself will be also taking on taxi rides to 4 lucky winners of day 1 two winners and day 2 two other winners. I'll be taking them on a taxi ride in my 2024 rally car. So I was driving the INRC last year, and on the same car I'll be taking them on a taxi ride. I think with Meghalaya has quite a bit of different terrains for different kind of motorsports. We have the terrain, but we need the place, and we need we need the people to be familiar with the sport more. So that is what we're trying to do right now. Right now we're introducing a race which is on dirt. So again, there are other types of motorsports which can be done also on tarmac and even on gravel. So we're looking forward towards that, because in Meghalaya we can promote this sport in a bigger way. There is a place, there are talents here, there are young talents which do not have a platform. That is what we're trying to do here, spotting all those talents. Myself and a few of us here who have spotted those talents, we want to push them ahead and give them that platform. First at Umroy Umden Umsakra. It's besides the airport. It's a little bit ahead of the airport on the main road. There will be indications towards the event, of course, and the start time would be at around 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. we would be starting off the race, and it would end at around 4:30 before the sun sets. That would be on 31st and 1st, day after, and Saturday. It's leading around the world. I mean, motorsports right now is well known all around the world. So also in Northeast. So right now, even in this event, we are having other people from other states coming in for the event. It's not just the boys from Meghalaya, but also we have people coming in from Nagaland, people coming in from Mizoram, people coming in from Tura, I think. So that way people are coming into the state from different places. We also have someone from Chennai who was in town, who used to drive on Formula 3 and in the Abu Dhabi circuit. He's in town, and he's also contacted us. We have him also, and we're having someone coming up from, I think, the state of Bihar as well as a driver. We have someone coming in from Mumbai. She's a girl, and she's been competing in the national platform, also in Formula, and she's just started on the dirt as well. So she'll also be coming and competing generally with everybody. So that this event is also supported and sponsored by the tourism department and the Meghalayan Age. The government is pretty much keen on motorsports, but they're also still new to all of this. So we are here to show them the different ways and different types and disciplines of motorsports. And earlier it was just a drift show, now it's a race. And now the racing with cars as of now, and we also have motorbikes, which we're going to be eventually doing it again later. So we have a few more other disciplines which we want to bring to the state. So slowly and surely the government is supporting us, learning from us what are the different types of disciplines of racing, or different types of discipline in motorsports. And hopefully this is the start for us, and hopefully we can definitely work towards the better future in motorsports in Meghalaya. So basically this event is it's called time attack. Basically it's a race. So it's a race on dirt track, and this is the first national race that is happening in Meghalaya under the license of FMSCI. And also under the same event, we have the grassroots project that is headed by Arthur's company that is called Motorsports Access. So they are running the grassroots projects all around India, and also they have come to our state in collaboration with us to run this project under the grassroots. So this is a platform where we're trying to provide a spot for all these drivers, new young drivers from Shillong, Meghalaya, so that they can have a chance to compete with the rest nationally in other states, or whenever there's a championship happening, national championship happening, or national event happening elsewhere. So our aim here is from Artif's team, from Motorsports Access and from Meghalaya Motorsport, we've collaborated together to try and find these new drivers so that we can actually promote the youngsters who actually have the skills and talent in driving. In Meghalaya at the moment we have quite a few drivers and riders as well, but then we do not have the platform. So we have started this initiative to provide that platform to all the younger drivers.
Based out of Bombay, looking at developing motorsport as a sport as well as a business industry. So we've collaborated with Meghalaya Motorsport Society to be doing a first of its kind grassroots event in Meghalaya. So the entire idea of the grassroots event is so that entrants and aspirants who want to enter the sport or motorsport get a chance and a platform to get their first initial experience in the sport. So this program is done under the IDP or the India Development Program that is approved by the FIA, the International Association for Motorsport, and headed by the FMSCI. So we are working along with the FMSCI to promote and grow grassroots motorsport across the country, and it's a great platform and it's a great opportunity for Meghalaya and the residents of Meghalaya to be participating in this event.
Kapor kala day bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council but ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job ka e ka thong ka bakidon ki e kiman ki bakongsan ki bakibu hakman kita kide ki jingkeli ki bafidon kamman yo ya ka jubab haswa bapin lek ban tap ya ka vote jongpi ha ka arpwoi tarik urumpang arjar arpsan baik ya ka program markman pat ki kertong